Just got commissioned to build a table out of the sewing machine base, so let's go hit the lumberyard and see what we can find. She wants walnut. Alright, let's roll. The client contacted me a couple months ago asking if this is something that I'd be willing to do, and I met with her last month, picked up the sewing machine base, took all the old components off of it, stripped it back down to bare metal, and now I'm gonna go select the wood and see what's gonna look best for the top. It's gonna be a fairly small table, 17 by 36, and solid walnut. It's gonna be fun. One of the biggest things with a job like this is it's a commission project where she's giving me the creative freedom to design a table that I think would look cool with her base. So it makes it a little more complicated doing projects like this, because it's a lot easier when a client comes to you and says, hey, this is what I want, can you make it? Sure, you can just draw it up and measure out the materials and come up with a total cost, but when someone asks you if you can design the piece and have creative freedom with it, it opens up so many different avenues of what can be done. And it's pretty cool because I want to make something that is totally different, that you don't see everywhere else. I've seen a lot of pictures of different sewing machine tables out there, and I want to make something different, so let's see what happens. Alright, so we're pulling into the Hardwood and Hardware Company here in San Diego, California. They are my favorite lumber supply company. The guys here know what they're doing, and you can call them ahead of time and they'll pull exactly what you want right off of the shelves, and they're there to help you with whatever you need help with. And their prices are awesome. So let's go inside, take a look at the shop, and maybe I'll get one of the guys to talk to you and tell you what they do here.
Hi, my name's Steve Morris. I'm the owner of TH&H, the Hardwood and Hardware Company. We're here now in the warehouse. We're a one-stop shop for furniture makers, cabinet makers, anyone who does professional woodwork, and hobbyists as well. We sell plywood, hardwood lumber, veneers, cabinet hardware, moldings, and other accessories to go along with the furniture trade. Let's take a walk around. We stock over 40 different types of domestic and imported plywoods, from 1 3/16 to 1/8 of an inch. All of them are ready to grab and go. They're all stocked. We have a wide selection of exotic hardwoods, everything from wenge, zebrawood, bloodwood, padauk, and probably 25 others. They come from all over the world. We stock most of them in 4/4 and 8/4. This is our domestic hardwood section. We stock over 60 species of domestic hardwoods in various sizes, from 1/2 inch to 16/4. They're all stocked in the. We have a number of milling services that we do. At no charge, we'll cross-cut any piece that's paid for to get it home in the car or truck. We also do gang rip straight lining for a minimum $25 fee, and we have a panel saw where you get 2 free cuts per panel to get it home or to the workshop in easy sizes. In our cabinet hardware section, we stock a wide range of Festool tools, Amana router bits, hinges, slides, wood products, saw blades, router blades, clamps, and a very large selection of finishes. Mohawk, general finishes, a number of European finishes as well. In addition to that, we have a full line of abrasives, screws, and fittings for all types of cabinet needs.
Hi, I'm Jeff. I'm putting away stock lumber for you guys. Keep this thing going, and we will hope to see you in here soon.
Alright, so behind me we have all the walnut. I'm going to sort through and pick out the best boards for the job. Hey Brent, got something for you.
8 feet by 13 1/4 by 1 inch. So let's see if that's going to be. Hi, I'm Brent. I'm in charge of the hardware ordering. I do all the managing of the hardware. I also do sales as well with everybody else, and that's what I do here.
So if you're in San Diego and you're looking for a good place to buy wood, definitely check out TH&H. They're a great shop, good group of guys, and they're always there when you need them. Alright, so I got the wood back in the shop. I'm going to start laying out the lines for what's going to be the tabletop. I'm going to cut out the 36-inch section from this side and then rip this one down. I'm going to take 4 inches off of one end and glue it to this piece, and that will give us our 17-inch wide top. And then I'm leaving a little bit excess on the ends to give room for the glue up for shifting, so that once it's glued up and dry, I can plane it flat and then cut them at exactly 36 inches. Anyways, let's get started on working on this tabletop. There are a couple of little knot holes to fill. I'm gonna get in touch with the client and see if she wants to go with like an epoxy or a stone inlay, or I'm going to see what she wants me to do for the filling of the nuts.